Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset TOZO NC9 wireless earbuds. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what we need to do is remove previous pairing. So on your smartphone or device, navigate to Bluetooth settings, delete or forget all entries labeled TOZO NC9, and then turn off Bluetooth on your device to prevent automatic reconnection during the reset process. Then we need to power off the earbuds. So take both earbuds out of the charging case, press and hold the touch sensitive area on each earbud for approximately 5 seconds until the LED indicators turn red, signaling that the earbuds are powered off. Then we need to initiate the reset. So with the earbuds powered off, press and hold the touch sensitive area on each earbud again for about 5 seconds until the blue light turns on and then off. Quickly tap the touch sensitive area on both earbuds twice. A purple light will flash for 1 second, followed by alternating red and blue flashes indicating that the reset is complete. Then from here, simply repair the earbuds. So turn Bluetooth back on your device, search for available devices and select TOZO NC9 to pair.